Let's raise a toast to the upcoming solar eclipse. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. On Monday, August 21st, all of us in North America and some folks in other parts of the world will experience an at least partial, if not total, eclipse of the sun. That calls for a drink. Here's one that we created at the request of the fabulous Jen in honor of the occasion, the Darkening. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of dark Jamaican rum, 1/2 ounce creme de violette, 1/2 ounce blueberry juice, 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice, and 4 dashes of Angostura bitters. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass that's been rimmed with orange sugar. It's your own mini eclipse in a glass. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Please subscribe to our channel for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.